So, I've asked you to analyze a piece of poetry by Rumi. The title is Shadow and Light Source, Both. I'm here to tell you, even though this seems complicated, almost every single thing you might need to know about this poem is in the very first line, in the actual title. It says Shadow and Light Source, Both. So what you want to do is look at the title, look at the words, and actually look at each word. We're going to start with the word shadow. The word shadow has specific connotations. First of all, we all have a shadow, right? There's not a single person on this planet that doesn't have a shadow unless it's the middle of the day. And that's probably another clue. Now, the word shadow is darkness, right? Shadow is darkness. When we think of darkness, it's typically negative and kind of scary. Bad things happen in the dark, right? Not in the light of day, but in the dark. So the first word is shadow. So we've got shadow, we've got darkness. But then we've got the word and. You've got to include whatever comes next. And the next word is light, right? So the word light usually has a positive connotation. It's usually something good. We can even think about this. We can even think about, actually the word is light source, right? So where does the light come from? So we can think about this even in terms of religion. Now, Rumi was not Christian, but that doesn't mean we can't take that idea and apply it to this as well. So if we think about the Christian idea of light source, we think about the sun. Now, we can also think about Jesus's son, but that is with a S-O-N, right? You're like, so I was like, have y'all lost your mind? No, but son is also S-U-N, right? And I think there's some connection there. So we've got shadow, which is the darkness, and the light source. The light source, the sun, where we get our positivity, right? So whatever that means to you, but we know that the light source shines down onto things and is hard to hide, right? So we are typically our best in the light source. And as I said, you can even take more of a religious view of that if you choose. Then the last word is super, super, super important because Rumi says both. You can't just look at the shadow. You can't just look at the light source. And the rest of the poem, I think, will point out the theme that Rumi was trying to teach you. Okay, remember there can be lots of different themes. What I'm going to ask, however, is that you explain your theme, which means you have to give me some text evidence. You can't just say, oh, I think this means blah, 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 and then have no text evidence, okay? So as long as you have text evidence, I'll buy it. I'll buy it. Okay. So, smart people. As I said, the very title of this poem will help you analyze it by looking at theme. If you have questions, meet me tomorrow at 10 o'clock for office hours, or feel free to email your question. And have a sip of tea.